Most cars are built to be replaced, but these 7 Lexus models were built to be kept forever. If you have $25,000 and you want a vehicle that can easily hit 500,000 miles without breaking your bank or your spirit, this is your ultimate shopping list. Starting our list at number 1 is a vehicle that many mechanics call the Baby Land Cruiser, the 2012 Lexus GX460. If you want a luxury SUV that can literally survive an apocalypse and still take you to a 5-star dinner, this is it. In 2026, finding a body-on-frame V8 SUV for under $25,000 that hasn't been beaten to death is getting harder, but the GX460 remains the ultimate cheat code. Under the hood sits the legendary 4.6-liter 1URF EV6 engine. While the rest of the world was moving to small, fragile turbocharged engines, Lexus stuck with this naturally aspirated V8. It produces 301 horsepower, but more importantly, it was designed with over-engineered cooling and heavy-duty internals. This is a 500,000-mile engine because it never has to work hard. It's essentially the same powertrain used in Toyota trucks that traverse the Sahara Desert. Mechanically, the GX460 is a tank. It features a full-time 4WD system and a robust 6-speed automatic transmission that shifts like butter even after a decade of use. Because it shares its platform with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, every part underneath this car is military grade. Whether you're towing a boat or just navigating a flooded city street, the GX460 feels completely unshakable. Inside, the 2012 model gives you that classic Lexus luxury: real wood trim, thick leather, and a build quality that makes modern plastic interiors feel like toys. Mechanics tip: when shopping for one, check the valley plate for coolant leaks. It's one of the few common issues these have. If that's dry and the oil has been changed every 5,000 miles, you are looking at a vehicle that will probably outlast your house. For around $19,000 to $23,000, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a legacy of Japanese perfection. If the GX460 we just talked about is a tank, the 2005 Lexus LX470 is a fortress. This is the vehicle that established Lexus as a dominant force in the luxury off-road world. Built on the same legendary platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser 100 series, the LX470 was engineered with one goal in mind: to be the most reliable vehicle on the planet, regardless of the terrain. At the heart of this beast is the 4.7-liter 2UZF EV8 engine. Unlike newer engines that use aluminum blocks, this one uses a heavy-duty iron block. This is a major reason why these engines routinely hit 500,000 miles. It's a low-stress, high-torque workhorse that just refuses to die. In the mechanic community, the 2UZF-E is considered one of the top 5 most reliable engines ever manufactured. What sets the 2005 model apart is that it features the updated 5-speed automatic transmission and a more modern interior compared to the earlier years. It also comes with the adjustable height control, AHC suspension. While some people fear hydraulic suspensions, if you maintain the fluid, it provides a magic carpet ride quality that modern air suspensions can't replicate. It allows you to raise the vehicle for deep snow or lower it for easier entry. In 2026, finding a clean LX470 for under $25,000 is actually a smart investment. These vehicles are no longer depreciating. In fact, they are becoming modern classics. You're getting a $75,000 machine in 2005 money for the price of a base model used sedan. Mechanics tip: the 2UZF-E uses a timing belt, not a chain. If you buy one, make sure it was changed in the last 90,000 miles. Also, check the frame for rust. That's the only thing that can truly kill an LX. If the frame is clean and the belt is done, this vehicle will likely be the last car you ever need to buy. If the first 2 cars on our list were heavy-duty tanks, the 2015 Lexus RX350 is the ultimate daily partner. There's a reason why you see these in every luxury neighborhood. They simply do not break. In 2026, while modern crossovers are struggling with complex hybrid systems and fragile small displacement turbos, the 2015 RX350 stands as a monument to final year perfection. Why do I say final year? Because 2015 was the last year of the third generation RX. Usually, by the end of a model's run, the engineers have fixed every single tiny bug. Under the hood is the legendary 3.5-liter 2 GRFE V6. This is arguably one of the greatest V6 engines ever made. It's found in everything from the Lotus Evora to the humble Toyota Camry, and in this RX, it's tuned for absolute smoothness. This engine doesn't just hit 300,000 miles. If you change the oil, it'll sail right past 500,000 miles with ease. Mechanically, this is as set it and forget it as a luxury car gets. It uses a tried-and-true 6-speed automatic transmission that is famous for its longevity. There are no fancy air suspensions to leak, and no complicated tech that requires a computer science degree to fix. It's a simple, honest, and incredibly comfortable machine. In today's market, you can find a pristine 2015 RX350 for anywhere between $18,000 and $24,000. You're getting an interior filled with real leather and wood that still feels more premium than most brand new economy cars. Mechanics tip: the only minor thing to watch for on these is the rear main seal or the timing cover oil leak. It's rare, but a quick pre-purchase inspection will save you the headache. Also, make sure to drain and fill the transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. Do that, and you'll be driving this car until your kids graduate from college. It's the smartest $20,000 you can spend on a vehicle today. Now, if you want something that feels modern, looks sharp, but still has that legendary never-die DNA, look no further than the 2018 Lexus ES350. This is the newest car on our list, and it's a very special year. Why? Because 2018 was the absolute final year of the 6th generation ES. In the car world, the final year of a generation is usually the most reliable car money can buy, because every single recall, every bolt, and every software glitch has been perfected. Under the hood is the crown jewel of Toyota's engineering, the 3.5-liter 2 GRFE V6. In an era where even luxury brands are switching to fragile 4-cylinder engines with massive turbos, Lexus kept this naturally aspirated masterpiece in the ES until 2018. It produces 268 horsepower of pure, linear silk. It uses a timing chain, not a belt, and it's famous for hitting 300,000, 400,000, or even 500,000 miles with nothing but basic oil changes. Mechanically, the ES350 is a tuxedo Camry. It shares parts with the most reliable car in history, which means if something does break, parts are cheap, and every mechanic in town knows how to fix it. But here's the secret: they rarely break. The 6-speed automatic in this car is one of the most robust units Lexus ever built. Inside, you get a massive amount of legroom and a ride quality so quiet you'll forget you're driving in traffic. In 2026, you can find a clean 2018 model for right around $21,000 to $24,000. You're getting 90% of the luxury of a brand new $60,000 sedan for less than half the price. Mechanics tip: on high mileage units, just keep an eye on the water pump around the 120,000 mile mark. It's a standard wear and tear item. If you replace that and keep your fluids fresh, this car will still be on the road when your kids are learning to drive. It is the ultimate stress-free luxury purchase. If you want the reliability of a Lexus but you actually enjoy driving, the 2015 Lexus GS350 is the sweet spot. While the ES we just talked about is front-wheel drive and built for comfort, the GS is a rear-wheel drive sports sedan, built to take on the BMW 5 Series. But here's the difference. While those German rivals are often in the shop for oil leaks and electrical gremlins by year 10, the GS350 is just getting warmed up. The magic again lies in that 3.5-liter V6 engine. In the 2015 GS, you're getting about 306 horsepower. It's snappy, it's responsive, and most importantly, it's naturally aspirated. No turbos means less heat, less pressure, and fewer things to explode at high mileage. This is a 500,000-mile engine because it's built with the old-school philosophy of over-engineering, but wrapped in a very modern, aggressive body. One of the best things about the 2015 model is the interior. Lexus used some of their best materials during this era. The seats are incredibly supportive, and the fit and finish are so tight that even with 200,000 miles on the clock, you won't hear a single rattle or squeak. It feels like it was carved out of a single block of granite. In 2026, you can pick up a beautiful 2015 GS350 for between $17,000 and $22,000. If you find an F Sport trim, you get better brakes and a sharper suspension, making it look and feel like a car twice its price. Mechanics tip: the GS350 uses a D4S dual injection system. This is a huge win for reliability because it uses both port and direct injection, which almost entirely eliminates the carbon buildup issues that plague other modern engines. Just keep an eye on the sunroof drains to make sure they don't clog. A simple 5-minute fix that prevents water from getting into the cabin. This is a world-class executive sedan that you can drive for the next 2 decades without a worry in the world. If you want a car that looks like $1 million but has the soul of a Toyota Hilux, this is your winner. The 2014 Lexus IS350 marked the beginning of the 3rd generation, and even in 2026, this design looks brand new. It's sharp, it's low, and it has that unmistakable spindle grille. But don't let the sporty looks fool you. Underneath that aggressive body is one of the most reliable powertrains ever engineered. The IS350 features the same 3.5-liter V6. We've been praising all video, but in this car, it feels alive. It's light, it's nimble, and it's a direct rival to the BMW 3 Series. But while 2014 BMWs are currently keeping mechanics kids in college with their constant coolant leaks and turbo failures, the IS350 is just cruising. Because it's naturally aspirated, there's no turbo to fail. It's just pure, reliable Japanese power. What makes this a 500,000-mile contender? It uses the D4S system, which combines both direct and port injection. This is technical talk for your engine stays clean. It prevents the carbon buildup that kills most modern German engines. You get the efficiency of modern tech with the longevity of the old school. In the 2026 market, you can find a solid 2014 IS350 for between $16,000 and $21,000. If you can find the F Sport version with the LFA-inspired digital gauge cluster, buy it immediately. It's the coolest interior you can get for under $25,000. Mechanics tip: the IS350 is famous for inner tire wear. Because of the suspension bushings, it likes to eat through front tires faster than usual. My advice: swap the stock bushings for the ones from the Lexus RCF. It's a cheap upgrade that fixes the tire issue and makes the steering feel even sharper. Do that, keep the oil fresh, and you'll be driving this car until the 2040s. The 2011 Lexus CT200h. The bulletproof gas saver. If you want 40+ miles per gallon but refuse to drive a boring car, the 2011 Lexus CT200h is your secret weapon. This is essentially a Toyota Prius in a tailored designer suit. While most luxury cars are expensive to fuel and maintain, the CT200h is the exact opposite. Underneath that sleek hatchback body is the legendary 1.8-liter hybrid powertrain. We've seen these engines hit 500,000 miles in taxi fleets across the globe because they are built for pure endurance. Since it's a hybrid, your brakes last twice as long, and the engine is under much less stress during city driving. In 2026, you can pick these up for a bargain, usually between $10,000 and $14,000. You get the Lexus badge, a premium interior, and a sound system that kills, all while paying pennies at the pump. Mechanics tip: the only thing that expires on these is the hybrid battery. In 2026, replacing these cells is cheap and easy. Check the EGR valve for carbon buildup every 100,000 miles to keep the engine breathing perfectly. It's not a race car, but it's a car that will keep your wallet fat and your stress levels zero for the next decade.